Tell me a little bit about your business and how you started up.
Well, I started, first of all, let me go back to the old days. I am a person who likes, and my hobby is electronics and, innovation and all this. So from when I was young, I was doing things crazy in the house and all this. And because I like this, I wanted to continue. I continued in what I liked, and this is what I did. And that's why, when I do things, it's coming out of the heart, because this is what I like, this is what I want to do, this is my baby. So that's why it is, alhamdulillah, very successful.
What made you choose this kind of business or industry?
There is very good future in that, and electronics is something that improves every day. So that is, I am a person who doesn't like to just do routine work. I always like to improve, to do things. And with electronics, before many years, the mobile was so big and all this. Today the mobile is so small. So with this business, we are growing every day, and that means that I will continue improvement all the time.
In every business, there are challenges. What are the challenges you faced in your business?
Well, the main challenge here in UAE is banks are not helping the SMEs to improve, to grow. There's very big restrictions. Banking don't understand that SMEs has needs that cannot, fulfill the big companies. So really the biggest challenge I'm facing here in UAE is the banking industry, which is not helping SMEs.